Guys, I have a slight problem here. It's not lining up, and I think it's sunk down. I don't know, before I got this thing, you had to slam it to get it to close, and this was all busted up, and I did a lousy job refiberglassing it. I didn't really care as long as I got it sealed back up. What we're going to do is we're going to try and fix this so it's not so hard. First thing we're going to try and do is move this bolt right here. As you can tell, it's been worn away really bad because it's hitting right here and it's worn the tip away. As you close it, it's hitting right there. So we're going to try and drop that striker down. Well guys, I use this is a T50 bit. Okay, because it is a torque. The thing is, it's all the way down. I can raise it up and tighten it down, but I need to go down, and it's already, there's no more adjustment left. It's all the way down. We tried loosening these two bolts up, 8 millimeter, and I got no movement whatsoever. Even though this hatch is fiberglass, you'll see this rivet here, should be somewhere up in there too. That means there's a metal backing plate in there. So what we're trying next, what we're going to do next is 8 millimeter. We're going to loosen these hinges up. But before we do anything, we scored a Sharpie line both there and there, so we have a reference point. But I am noticing this is definitely, I don't know, we're going to loosen all 4 of these, see if we don't have any play. But once again, you'll see there's a rivet here. That means there's a metal backing plate under that fiberglass. Okay guys, I've had to take the strut loose, and it's already pushed itself out. See where I had that marked? That strut's pushing it out. So I'm gonna have to go get somebody to help me because I can't hold this up and adjust this, but I definitely got some play. Definitely getting play in it this way. Okay, you're either gonna have to get somebody to, come get somebody to help, or devise a way to keep this thing propped up. So as you can see here, I've pulled out that much gap on this side, but this is the side that was really, see how much gap we got on this side. We're gonna go ahead and tighten these down and see what that gets us. Might be too much. And part of the problem, that's why you need to do witness marks. Come on, focus. See how much this has moved? See that? See that? The whole thing has come to the... Oh yeah, we raised it quite a bit there. But now because of the twist, you'll see it's hitting there. But if you look at the gap there, look how much gap we have on the left here. See, we need to do something about that gap. Okay, it's going to take some... I got it to where it's going good, but now I'm hitting up in here. It's all lined up perfect, but it's hitting in there. See that? Darn it. Thought I was good, but I to where it'll latch without much trouble. Got it almost lined up. But you gotta take your struts off to do this. It is making a lip up in the air a little bit, but see how this one here is nice and smooth. I didn't do this. Somebody backed into something. So that's basically it. You just gotta keep working at it. Still got a little too much of a gap, but you want to look at your pins in there and see how it lines up.